Our Ring camera periodically captures some wildlife in our yard, and Karen asked, can't we get some kind of wildlife camera? So we bought one for $34. I put it on the tree over my shoulder, and last night was the first night we captured anything, and we got a cornucopia of stuff. Here's where the camera is set, and here's the direction it is looking. We placed breadsticks, steak, blueberries, and a baked potato at this spot. You can see they didn't like the blueberries. The deer seem to like the flowers on the liriope. There's where they've cut the stems off. So on the first night of our wildlife camera, we captured at least 7 different animals. And what's interesting is we don't live in the hinterlands. We are basically in the suburbs surrounded by asphalt and the concrete. But we are fortunate because this property behind us has been vacant for the 35 years we've lived here, and obviously it holds a lot of wildlife.